Hi friends, in this video you are going to learn about step turning. The aim is to produce a step profile. We have a small step profile here. You can see it clearly. You have different four steps. So step turning is an operation performed on lathe machine where the excess material is removed from the workpiece to obtain various steps of different diameters. So there are different types of step turning. One is OD turning and other is ID turning. In OD turning we remove outer diameter, and ID turning we remove inner diameter. The codes required for step turning are G00 linear interpolation at rapid transfers, and G01 linear interpolation at slow feed motion, G18 ZX plane selection, and G54 G59 settable work part at 0, that is work offset. And the next G64 is continuous path, and G71 is program in mm data input, and G90 is absolute dimension. G95 is feed in mm per spindle revolution, and next M05 is spindle stop, and M08 is coolant on, M09 is coolant off, M03 is spindle in clockwise direction, M17 is sub program end, and M30 is program end, that means main program end. And the mainly codes required for header are in these codes. In the above codes required, the codes required for header are G18 G54 G64 G71 G90 G95, and the codes required for the footer are M05 M09 and M30. So let's start our program. So we open the 808D software, and we first of all keeps feed and spindle speed, and next we have to check the reference whether the reference symbols are there or not. And next we have to go to the program manager and create a new program. Click new, and the main program MPF will be shown. So give any other name, any name as you wish. I was giving RAM, and click OK. Next we are creating a program. So first of all we have to write the header of the program. So the header is G18 G54 G64 G71 G90 and G95. After that we have to take the tool to the homing position, so G75 X0 Z0, and next we have to select the tool from offset. So click on offset and select the tool required for operation. So we need third edge position tool, so write XZ dimensions. Next for we are doing roughing operation, so 0.8. So next click on program, and next we selected the tool number 1, so T01 D1 M06, and next about the spindle as 1500, limits are equal to 3000, and M03 is the direction of the spindle, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. M03 is clockwise, and G00 X0 Z5 is the safety point, and G01 X0 Z0 is the approach point. And we should mention the feed rate, so I was mentioning feed rate as 0.8. and next we have to come to the profile, so I was giving the profile now. First point is Z01 X24 and Z is 0 because the minor diameter is 24. You can see in the profile that the minor diameter is 24 here. So from the reference point from center we are taking the first point I have written there. So next point is this, so we have to create this profile like this. Next point is this, so I was going to the machine again and I was writing the next point G01 X24 and Z is minus 15, and the next point is the third point, this one. So G01 X is 48 and Z is minus 15, and the next point is this point. So G01 X is 48 and Z is minus 35, and the next point is this. Hope you are understanding. G01 X is 72 and Z is minus 35, and the next point is this. So z01 x is 72 and z is minus 69. So the next point is this point, so that is z minus 69 and x is 100. So z01 x is 100 and z is minus 69, and the next point is this one, the ending point. So the z is in the minus 92 and the x is same diameter, so g01 x 100 and z is minus 92. So this is about the profile, and the footer is G97, M05, M09 and M30. G97 means constant cutting speed off, and you know about other. You have to now do the simulation. So for simulation we have to keep it in the auto mode and click cycle start. The simulation will be performed there. So in this video you will only learn about how to create a profile. So I was just saying you about how to create a step profile. So with this profile we can perform finishing operation. This is only about profile. So we can also see in 3D like adding blocks. You can see it in the picture. So this picture is obtained. Now we are going to, this is how the step turning process. Now we are learning about ID stock removal. So this is an ID profile. So now we create another new one. Now this is an ID profile. So Sita. So first of all we have to create the header. Next we have to give header of the program G18, G54, G64, G71 and G90 and G95. After that we have to take the tool to the homing position, so G75, X0 and Z0. And next we have to select the tool from the offset, so click on offset. And so now we need an ID tool, so fifth tool with X and Z of minus 100 and minus 100 and a radius of 0.8 and second edge position. So give the required dimensions and click OK. Go to the program and select the tool, give T05 and D1 M06. M06 means tool change at homing position. And next we have to give about the spindle, so S1500 and limits are 3000 and M03, that means the direction of the spindle, whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. And next we have to give the safety point, that is Z00, X0 and Z5, and G01, X0, Z0 is the approach point, so we have to mention the feed rate now, so 0.8. So next we have to create the profile, so I was writing just like profile. Next we have to write the profile, so first point is Z01 and X72, we have the major diameter of 72 and Z is 0. So let's first we see the picture. Now you can see that major diameter is 100, so I have given this point. Next point is this one in the Z direction, so next point is Z01 X72 and the Z is minus 21. And the next point is this one, a radius is there in the anti-clockwise direction, so we have to give G03, X is 69 and Z is minus 24. So we have to mention the CR, circle radius is 3. So next we have a linear distance in X direction, so Z01 and X is 51 and the Z is minus 24. So the next is again a radius in the clockwise direction, so we go and write G02, X48 and the Z is minus 27 and the circle radius CR is 3. So I was writing 3 because in the bottom it was given all radii is 3 mm. So next is in the Z direction linear motion, so G01, X is 48 and Z is minus 41. So once again we'll cut the picture. So the next one is again a radius in the anti-clockwise direction. So we write G03 and X is 45 and the Z is minus 44, CR equal to 3 as shown in the figure, as all radii is in 3 mm. So next again a linear distance along x-axis. So we are writing G01, X is 27 and Z is minus 44. So in the picture again we have a radius along clockwise direction, so G02 and X is 24 and Z is minus 47. So we have to mention CR equal to 3. So next we have again a linear motion along Z axis, so G01, X is 24 and Z is minus 59. So this is the last point. The tool is inside the workpiece, so we have to write the retraction points. So G01, X is 23 or 21, you can give 22, anything. So I was giving 23. I was giving directly X is 0, so Z is minus 59. So I was retracting to that point. So again we can retract to the outside the workpiece. So 01, X is 0 and Z is 0 or minus 5, can give. Z is minus 55. So I was first retracting safely. So next I can retract directly to the position. So G00, X is 0 and Z is 0. So I was retracted the tool from the workpiece. So I can write the footer. So the footer is G97 and M05, M09 and M30. So this is about the ID profile. For simulation, click on simulation. First we have to check the feed rate and spindle speed. So we have to first of all add the material, cancel the material and click on auto and cycle start. So we can see this is a finishing process of ID. You can see the ID profile clearly. This is the ID profile. Thanks for watching the video.